Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This will be part 3 of my fall lookbook. If you guys like to see how I accomplished this look, then stay tuned. Alright, first thing first, I'm taking this flat shader brush and taking that shade New Terrain from Coastal Scents, and I'm applying that all in my crease area and onto my lid. Now I'm taking the M441 brush from Morphe and going into that color right there, Oktoberfest, which is my favorite color from Coastal Scents thus far. And I'm applying that above where I applied New Terrain. Oktoberfest is just acting as a transition color, so when I apply that light orange, which I believe is light tangerine from Coastal Scents, it's going to blend very well. I'm just now going to go in with New Terrain again on that flat shader brush and just reapply it to make sure that that color is there, so when I cut my crease it will be fancy. And this is just another shader brush, but it's more dense. This is a G18 from Morphe. But yeah, I'm taking that and I'm applying light tangerine above Oktoberfest, and then I'm blending that out, so then you have that whole gradient transition, which is really cool. Alright, now it's time to cut the crease. I'm using that flat shader brush. I think that's a 167 from Morphe. And I'm taking the LA Girl concealer in the color Porcelain, and I'm applying that to my eye. Today's look is just going to be a semi-cut crease, so I can just show all the colors that I got from Coastal Scents. So with the same small shader brush from Wet n Wild, I'm going to apply Porcelain first, and I'm going to apply a light bronze on top. And the reason I'm applying Porcelain first, so light bronze can show a little bit better. Now taking a shader brush I had earlier, I'm using that and applying Oktoberfest in the middle lid, and I'm blending that out using New Terrain. Alright, so next I'm going to start applying colors to my under eye, but before I do that, I like to apply concealer down so those colors can really pop. I'm just going to blend that out with a beauty blender. Now I'm going to take a flat shader brush and add that color New Terrain in my waterline. And then following that, I take a small detail brush and apply Oktoberfest under that. And then I'm going to take the M506 brush and I'm going to apply that light tangerine under that and just blend it all out. So I'm priming my face today using the Cover FX primer, and then using the e.l.f. brush to blur that out, and then color correcting. The foundation I'm using today is from ColourPop, and that's the color 167 Warm. I feel like it's a little too dark for me, but it actually does match my neck, so I'm going to go with that. And I'm actually using the LA Girl concealer in the color Porcelain to highlight my face. I did use the ColourPop foundation stick in the color 197W to contour my face. And I'm just blending all that out with a beauty blender and then just a brush. So to bake my face, I just used the Bed 9 Luxury Powder in the color Banana. I don't really bake long, I just brush all that off as soon as I apply it. And then to highlight my face, I'm using the color Illuminati from Artist Couture. You know it's my favorite. For my lips, I'm using the NYX Matte Cream, color Cairo, and then just a brown lip liner. At this point, my camera's about to die, so I just want to add some mascara, then add some lashes off camera, and that is the final product. Alright guys, as always, thanks for watching my video, and I hope to see you guys in my next video.